sounds that we will talk about, but today we're just looking at the short sounds, right? And these letters, they are vowel. A, E, I, O, and U are all vowels. Now let's look at letter I. I'm going to teach you a little rhyme to help you to remember how to write letter I. Let's go. Now is the time to pause the video and download your worksheet. The link is in the description so that you can work along with me. Now for letter I, the uppercase I can be written two ways, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first way is very easy. You just go down the ladder and stop, and that's letter I. Now some fonts use a cross on the head and another cross at the floor, right? So it's like I have a board on my head which goes across, and I am standing on the floor which goes across, right? So let's try to make the letter I. And we're going to use blue color today. Now, I forget to mention I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for igloo. Igloo. So this is an igloo, and you usually find it in a very cold place like the North Pole. All right, let's do letter I. So you go down the ladder, and that's the letter I. Or you can go, and remember we always start at the top. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor, and that's letter I, right? Let's do it again. You guys can see. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor, and that's letter I, and that's the uppercase I. Now let's work at doing some more uppercase I. So let's go down the ladder, and that you could leave it like that, and it's the uppercase I, but I think I like the ones with the headboard and the floorboard. So let's go across the head, across the floor, and that's letter I. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor. Now remember, we always start at the top. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and do it. Amazing. You're doing good. Let's see if we can do some without the guide. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor. And that's letter I. Let's see if we can do some more. Now it's your turn. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor. Remember, we always start at the top. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor. Let's do one more. Down the ladder, across the head, across the floor. Amazing. You did good. And now we're going to use red color for the lowercase I. And the lowercase I, you go from halfway down the ladder. So for the lowercase I, you're using the middle red line. Remember, we have 1, 2, 3 lines, and with these 3 lines, the lowercase letters always take up half of those lines. Lowercase letter will be starting from the middle line to the bottom line. Okay, so let's do it. So you go down the ladder, fly your pencil in the air, and make a dot. All right, let's do it again. So you see how easy the letter I is? Down the ladder, fly your pencil in the air, and make a dot. Okay, let's do it. Remember, we're starting halfway in the middle, down the ladder, fly your pencil in the air, and make a dot. Down the ladder, fly in the air, make a dot. Down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. Down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. Down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. Your turn. Down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. Okay, let's see if you can do it without a guide. This one is very easy. Halfway down the ladder, pick up your pencil, make a dot. Halfway down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. Halfway down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. Halfway down the ladder, pick up your pencil, fly in the air, make a dot. And that's your letter I. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where we will look at the letter O. And the letter O, what sound do you think that letter makes? Share with us. I look forward to your answers.